All right, the first extension we'll be talking about here is called Bala Blue. So Bala Blue is just like an alternative to Lorem Ipsum suite. I've already installed it here. You just have to click on it, search for it, Bala Blue, and install it. So what you can use it for, when you go to your code, let us assume I'm writing HTML, I can just write H2, and then to use Bala Blue, I can just press Bala, and you can see Bala 10, just like Lorem Ipsum, and I press it. It's giving me different dummy tests of Bala Blue. So a town hall is different from Bala Blue, Bulaba. So Bala Blue extension is an alternative to Lorem Ipsum. That's number one. Number two extension is power mode. It's called power mode. So power mode. So search for it, power mode, and install it. After you install it, click on setting to set it up. And after you set it up and activate it, you can see, click on the setting and set it up. You can see you have to enable it here. So I enable it here. Click on it, and these are different options that is available. So let me assume I want flame. So the function is that it's going to make your code to be catching fire. So for example, now let me assume I want to write H2. Can you see my code? Uh, Let me assume I want to write H2. Can you see my code? It's catching fire. I love this extension. So there are different options that is in the settings. You can go to the setting power mode and change each of the options to what you want. So for example, this flame, I can decide to change it to firework. So if I change it to firework, see the different extension is good. You can see the firework is good. So there are different options that is there. Go there, go and explore it. Let me just change this last one to particles. So save it, and then let me come there. I love it. You can see. Uh, so the last extension is called Vscode Pets. So Vscode Pets, Vscode Pets. So it's just like you're having your own pets in the VS Code. So it's fun. So you can see it. I've already installed mine. So after you install it, just press Ctrl P and go to your code. Under the panel here, you should see it. You can see VS Code Pets. These are different my pets, and you can manage it by changing the pets to anyone that you want. For example, I can just search here. I can press Ctrl P, then search for VS Code Pets. See that these are different pets. So you can choose the color of your pet. You can use the different type. So search for Ctrl P and just press Ctrl P on your keyboard and search for pets. You will see these are the settings for the pets. You can change the color of the pets to green. You can change the type of the pets. You can introduce new pets to your forest. You can see these are different pets. So let me assume I want horse. So in the bush, see it. So after that, you can see it here. These are all my pets, and you can see I can click here to add another pet. So let's assume I want to add horse. Which kind of horse? White, blue, or black? I want white horse, and enter. You can see my white horse. Extension is there. You can see my white horse, right? So these are the three extensions that will make your code fun. Number one, power mode. Number two, Bala Blue. Number three, VS Code Pets. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and for more interesting content like this, keep coding. Subscribe. Bye bye.